Welcome to 60-second trading education. On today's list we have the question, what is risk reward? Every time you enter a trade, you are willing to risk a certain amount of money to potentially make a profit. Risk reward generally compares this taken risk to the potential reward, and by calculating it, it will give you a ratio comparing this risk to the potential reward. In the end, you will receive a ratio that looks something like this, and it actually tells you how much greater your potential profit is compared to the risk. Meaning, if you have a 3-to-1 risk reward, that means for every dollar you risk, you potentially make $3 back. But to show you how this actually looks on the chart, let's take a look at some examples.
Here we go!
Right now we're on the Bitcoin chart, and if you have watched the previous streams, you know that some of us are actually in a long from down here in the 58k zone. This trade especially was a very high risk reward trade because, as you can see, you pull the red box to the spot where your stop loss was and your take profit above a high that you were targeting, and you would see that you had a risk reward ratio of 5-to-1. That means for every dollar that you risk on this trade, you make potentially $5 back. This is considered a very high risk reward trade, and you want to look for those because, as we said, the higher the risk reward, the more money we potentially make with very low risk. This does not mean that you always are looking for very tight stop losses or very far away take profits just to increase your risk reward, since it always has to make sense where your stop loss and take profit actually are. Nevertheless, if you have a trading idea and you can actually see that you have a risk reward which is greater than 2-to-1, then you're good to go and actually have a very good trade. If you want to see more, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below which topic you want to see next in the series, and visit us on Twitch on Monday, Wednesday and Friday every single week. Peace out.